Wala
Consent line.
ako pake, pukinagida.
Oh, I love it. But bro, I'm gonna teach you line by line with the music. So I'm gonna teach you a famous Filipino song. So the first line is Baka sa Pasko, buntis ako. So you
Baka sa Pasko, buntis ako.
exactly.
Baka sa Pasko, buntis ako.
I love it. That is awesome. The next line is Malibog pa naman ang asawa ko.
Malibog pa naman ang asawa ko.
And that means my husband is very competitive but keeps on losing.
I don't have a husband.
It's the lyrics of the music. Kaya naman namamaga yung pek-pek ko.
So what's the translation of this? Isn't it like, my mom is already dead?
No, translation of that is that's why my
Okay.
backpack is swollen because backpack
Come
is
again,
like
please.
backpack.
Kaya namamagay ang pek-pek ko.
I love it. Very good. Very emotional. The next one is Tawagin mo akong pok-pok.
God damn. You're like a professional singer. Tawagin mo kong pok-pok.
Yeah. Wala akong pake.
Wala akong pake.
This is the final touching moment. I don't know if you know Winnie the Pooh, but it means Puki na ina. It's like Winnie the Pooh is using a key to visit Ina. It's one of the actors in the Philippines. But the way you sing it is Puki na ina.
Bukida ida.
Yeah, perfect. And this song very poetic. Sometimes, they sound emotional.
Baka sa Pasko buntis ako. Malibog pa naman ang asawa ko. Kaya naman yung pek-pek ko. Tawagin mo kong pok-pok. Wala akong pake. Pukinagina.
Very good. It is
So
amazing.
bad. That was
You are learning our language.
この番組は角川ランティストご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りします。